Hello guys, welcome to another vlog that I'll be touring Malindi, yes, Malindi. I'm so happy to be in Malindi, and it's actually 5:20 in the morning. I'm supposed to be downstairs by 5:50 because I'm living with a group of travelers. So guys, let us tour Malindi. We are touring Malindi and I got a group of new friends, and I actually joined the Nature World Kenya. So Nature Kenya actually. So we're in this forest in Marafa, Kilifi County, far from Malindi, like an hour past Malindi. If you'd like to join the Nature Kenya, you can just pay for it. It's valid for 1 year. Depends on if you're a student, if you're working. They have different packages. I'm gonna just put them down below so that you can check them, and I'll also leave my contact so that you guys, whoever wants to join, can contact me, and there we go. All right. Nature Kenya is an environmental organization that was formed in 1909 to promote the study and conservation of nature, more so in East Africa. It doesn't cost you much to become a member. I'm gonna put the details in the description box. So today we visited the Woodland in Marafa, Kilifi County for birdwatching activity. And trust me, nature is beautiful. This forest is like 730 acres, you can imagine. So we'll be walking for like 1 hour or 2 hours, yes, before we go to the next activity. Yep. Nature Kenya.
We've spotted a lot of beautiful birds. So which is your favorite bird of today?
Hornbill.
Nice one. Your favorite bird of today?
Cockle.
Your favorite bird of today?
Lizard buzzard.
Your favorite bird of today?
Narina trogon.
Your favorite bird of today?
Brown snake eagle.
Your favorite bird of today?
The two rollers.
Your favorite bird of today?
Hornbill.
Favorite bird of today?
Oh, little hook.
Favorite bird of today?
Paradise flycatcher.
Nice one. Your favorite bird today?
Greater blue ear starring.
Your favorite bird today?
Emerald dove.
That's nice. You've heard from all the group, and for me today, my favorite bird is the scaly-throated honey guide.
We're going to Hell's Kitchen. Inaitwa Marafa Hell's Kitchen.
Yeah,
Hell's
yeah.
Kitchen. Niliona ati kuna nukanga food na kuna mtu anapika. Breakfast at Marafa. Yes. Hell's Kitchen. Join us. Already at the Hell's Kitchen, but I don't think we're gonna spend a lot of time here because we are out of time. So I'm just gonna give you a view and some photos of it. Yep. Wow. Oh, tushuke kule huko. So guys, we went back to Malindi, and that was the end of the group tour. This is actually one of the offices of Nature Kenya. This is just close to the museum in Malindi. I decided to tour some more places alone, so I went to Falcon of Kenya, just in Malindi town. I'm here at Falcon, that is just close to Malindi town. So I'm just gonna see a few birds, crocodiles, fly some birds, and then call it a trip. So let's do this.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.
This comes to the end of this cute video. Thank you for always clicking to watch my videos, and if it is your very first time to come across this channel, please be sure to subscribe for more travel on budget videos.